The general elections is happening today in Uganda on January 15th, 2026. And unfortunately, voting was delayed in some parts of Uganda because the biometric systems were not working. And in some of the polling stations, the voters were left idle as they were waiting for the biometric systems to work.
Bayimiridde buyimirizi tebalonda tewali kitambula onaona olabawo tewali yadde okulonda yadde n'akamu tewali yadde ebigundi bimashini biganye tuli wano tutunula butunuzi mpangali.
According to reports, the biometric voter verification kits that are being used in Uganda's elections appear to be experiencing failures in multiple polling stations, and this appears to be linked to the nationwide internet shutdown.
Scan ID. Hello? Kukantu kafegwe yagala tutwaza ku poliisi bikyaganye kama kintu kyaganye kiri wonna scanning tebabisazaamu manyi pressure gye bitutaddeko
kati babizinga box obizeeyo
owange. Hello?
And unfortunately, voting materials arrived in Mutukula 3 hours late from the time voting was supposed to begin.
Direct entry. Woman entry. Yes. Whatever they are looking at civilians. You see the right now small. You see the yes, yes. Choco drinking coffee. Palio kanaka tulabe baba mushahada cyayambala ibyo president ngati tubirabira bino ibyo baba agani buri muntu ate kuri yanda.
Ugandans are going to vote for their next president and MPs today, and unfortunately, some of the biometric voter verification kits are not working in some of the polling stations, and the Electoral Commission in Uganda has told people that they are going to continue voting without using the BV kits.
Across the country, due to technical challenges affecting the biometric voter verification kits, the Commission hereby directs all returning officers that where a BVK or kit fails to start or to function, the voting process should commence immediately using the National Voters Register in accordance with the electoral laws and guidelines so as not to disenfranchise any voter. In the meantime, the Electoral Commission's technical teams are actively responding to and addressing the reported technical challenges wherever they can. But in order not to waste time, we have directed that polling can proceed in those areas where there are still these problems which have not yet been addressed.
President Yoweri Museveni's senior presidential advisor, Yiga Wamala, has said that people should not think that President Museveni will go out through voting. He has said that Museveni will become the president again, and after he finishes his next term, his son, Muhoozi Kainerugaba, will take over.
If we don't have mandate to remain at the polling station, you'll be there like a dormant people. Vote and go home. You will not count the votes. You will not see even the votes you are going to count. Their machines are going to count the votes. So what are you going to be keeping? Also some old woman, even some old man. For us, we shall vote and remain there and vote. What are you going to protect? At the Tare Center, we shall only allow 2 people, the candidate and the other 2 people. The rest will be out. So what are you going to be doing? Don't expect, don't even think a day that we are will announce Bobi Wine. President Museveni, who's on chair, will still remain in chair. Never think on that day that Museveni will leave this power by voting. No. Don't waste our time. Just go and vote and count what you know. We still want President Museveni. He has done nothing in this country, but a lot he has done. He's going to be the president, believe me or not. So this time we are very sure President Museveni will become the president. And actually voting, if you can't take me away, me, such I'm coming to the end. What about the president? If you are still crying for Museveni, General Kainerugaba is coming also. After Museveni, General Kainerugaba is coming. Are you going to kill each other? You shout and shout, whoa, 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 whoa.